Look at this mark ass nigga finna get a dog. All this motherfucking ham. This don't make no damn sense.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Make no damn sense. Look at this shit. He wouldn't even give it to his son, but he'd give it to a motherfucking dog. Look at it. Know it's good because he eating it. Look. Look at this shit, man. That's stupid ham. So how you feel giving that to a dog instead of your son?
I feel real good.
You do?
My dog come first.
Your dog come before your son?
Yeah.
They didn't hear you say that.
My dog first.
Your dog first.
He lives here.
Bitch ass nigga, man, for real. That was some whole shit, man. I could have made him a sandwich with that shit. A couple of them. But he better give it to his dog. Tell him instead of his real son. Huh? Man's best friend.